truth behind MLM opportunities, secrets revealed. Part 1. This video is about, why do people join multi-level marketing companies? Let's discover the reason behind. Let's start. Number 1. Recognition and appreciation. Our greatest desire as humans is to be recognized. However, recognition and appreciation in the context of employment are seldom experienced. As many people believe that receiving a weekly or monthly salary is the reason you came to work. The money we receive is obviously important, but we look for something extra in everything we do. The something extra is called humanity, and we expect to be treated in a way that recognizes us for the talents and abilities that we have. MLM multi-level marketing or network marketing provides real recognition as you are truly part of a team. Your success will always contribute to the success of the team, and you will be recognized for the success you bring to the team. Number 2. Exponential business and personal growth. I believe our purpose is to grow. That is the basic principle of life. Therefore, when we are growing, we are fulfilling our purpose. We grow when we make a difference in our lives and the lives of others. MLM gives you an opportunity to grow beyond your wildest dreams. The possibilities are endless. Very soon you could be the leader of an organization of over 5,000 people. Number 3. Avoid starting life in debt. Most of us have been sold the 40-year lie. Go to school, get good grades, so that you can get to university to study for a degree, so that you can get a good job. Did you know that the average student who completes university has at least a debt of $50,000? I am not saying don't study, but do avoid debt at all costs. By joining an MLM company and utilizing your free time to set up an income stream for yourself, you can decide on what field of study is really interesting to you, as opposed to pursuing a field that has more definite short-term earning potential. Number 4. Work for the next 50 years? Yes, no matter how old you are now, would you really want to work for the next 50 years? Due to downsizing, the financial situation and business failure, my father worked until he was 82. It was only then that he could finally relax, and within the next year and a half, he passed away. Would you like that to be your legacy? Will people remember you for always working, or will you have the freedom to travel, valuable time with your family, be able to volunteer for charitable causes and make a difference in the lives of others? Before we continue, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it to everyone. By the way, if you are ready to unlock your wealth potential, join Maxous Global's team. Just type this link on your internet browser. For free account, you can already enjoy huge benefits. Now, let's continue. Number 5. Inflation shrinking your earnings. We all work for a very similar reason, and that is in the hope that one day we will have more money at the end of the month than what we need. Well, if that was true, the credit industry would be shrinking and there would be far more people who are happy with what they are earning. Unfortunately, inflation catches up with us and we often need to resort to expensive credit just to survive. Inflation is a reality, it is never going to go away, so the only alternative is to get a second, even third job and work yourself to death just to maintain the payments. MLM gives you the opportunity to change the inevitable and earn more than you require monthly. Number 6. Internet-based business or work anywhere. The internet has changed our lives, but few have actually utilized the opportunity effectively. We have been conditioned to look for opportunities where we are, as opposed to going to where the opportunity. MLM offers the ability to find the people who are looking for the opportunity, as opposed to trying to convince those who don't want the opportunity that they need it. Good MLM opportunities will train you how to use the internet as your greatest tool, as opposed to training you how to lose friends and irritate people. I personally have an ethical problem with MLM companies who teach that your financial success is more important than your friends. That is not what we are called to do, and that is not making a difference in the lives of others. Number 7. Build your dream. not someone else's. Do you have a dream? Can you build on your dream in the situation you currently find yourself in? Invariably you cannot, and the reality is, you are usually helping someone else build their dream. The only way to make a dream come true is to work on building your own dream. MLM gives you the freedom to dream your own dreams, set your own goals and accomplish the things that are important to you. Number 8. Like-minded people. They say birds of a feather flock together. In the world of MLM you will find many people from diverse backgrounds, but there is one golden thread, and that is that they are interested in helping others succeed. Africa has a principle called Ubuntu, which says I am who I am, because of who you are. In no other industry have I experienced the spirit of Ubuntu being so strong as in the MLM industry. MLM is not unique, it is actually a concept that is so in line with life, and that is what gives MLM its true power. That's for our first part. I know you want more. So, I assume to see you on our part 2. Thank you for watching.